All right, it's time for the truth. All right, welcome back, my dear students. I hope you're really excited because right now on this lecture here, we're going to be testing what we have worked for I don't know how long. All right, we have worked for a long time on our create method, abstracting this information, making sure that we can use this method in any other class. All right, so we have come to the end of this method of abstracting it. We're going to be jumping into the update method soon. But before we get to that, all right, we want to test this thing out. We want to make sure that everything we have written works. And if it doesn't, we need to debug it and make it work, right? So let's go to admin, and I'm just going to uncomment this here just to use that create method, all right? So we create a new instance, of course, then we assign some static strings to these properties, all right? And then all we got to do is go back to our admin. Let's go to our admin page. And I'm getting this on the next screen. Sorry about that, guys. Right here. And ladies, of course. So we're going to go to localhost, PHP my admin, because we want to know what's going on in the database, right? We can check it out. Gallery, users, and there we go. All right. So I'm just going to put this to the side. I'm going to refresh this and see if we don't have any bugs. And if we do have a bug or two, we'll fix it, right? So enter, and there we go. We have a bug. Great. So on line 121, something's going on the user.php page, all right? So let's go to that area there on line 129 on user.php, find out what's going on. All right, line 21. Oh, there we go. So when I was actually telling you a bit about this dynamic variable in the last lecture, I believe, I actually never put the dollar sign. All right, this is not a object property that we can reference to it like this. We need to reference to it with a dollar sign because we are making this variable on the fly right here. All right, it's not a property, so don't get tripped off because of that. So now we save it and everything should work fine. I didn't see no more errors here. So enter, then we can go to our database and refresh our table. All right, this was the last one that we tried to do that and it just created an empty record. All right, and this is the one that works now. All right, perfect. So it is working. All right, our hard work paid off for some of us, right? For those of you that are having issues there, just make sure that you rewind the video when I'm actually doing it and go line by line. Sometimes we're seeing things that really are not there, or sometimes we think we did something and we really did not do. So make sure that if you're having issues, just stay back for 30 or 45 minutes and then come back to the code and you will probably see things more clearly, all right? When we have a lot of hours doing things, it could actually make our coding worse, all right? So make sure you take your rest and so that way you can see everything clearly. But anyway, we're done with this and we're going to jump into the update method next. Take care, my friends. Good job. If you were able to do this successfully, you're doing great. And I'll see you in the next lecture.